Sick of missing the big game because your TV just won't cooperate? Let's get Fubo up and running on your smart TV the updated way. First things first, power on your smart TV and make sure it's connected to your home Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for any streaming service. Now, locate your TV's App Store. This might be called the App Store, Google Play Store, or something similar depending on your TV brand. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function. Type in Fubo and hit search. You should see the official Fubo app appear. Select it to view its details page. On the app's page, you'll find an option to install or get the app. Click on this button. Your TV will then download and install the Fubo application. Once the installation is complete, find the Fubo app icon on your smart TV's home screen or in your recommended app. Select it to launch Fubo. When Fubo opens, you'll be prompted to either log in with your existing Fubo account or sign up for a new one. Enter your credentials carefully. Voila! You're now ready to stream all your favorite live sports and entertainment content from NFL to soccer and everything in between. It's all at your fingertips. Enjoy the upgraded Fubo experience on your smart TV. No more missing out on the action.